In a small software company named Tech Softwares, a team struggled to deliver projects on time and maintain its quality. They hired a Scrum Master whose name was David. David introduced Agile methodologies and Scrum frameworks. He facilitated communication and collaboration and introduced daily stand-up meetings, sprints planning, and retrospectives. The team became more productive and met all the client requirements. They appreciated David's contribution and recognized the value of Agile practices. The team achieved their goals and company's reputation grew exponentially. David continued to guide to the team on their Agile journey, and they were grateful to their Scrum Master's impact brought to the company. So hey everyone, welcome to this new video by Simplilearn. If you are facing the similar problems like Tech Softwares, then in this video, we bring you the top 5 Scrum Master Certifications to enroll in 2023. As we saw how Scrum Masters play an important role, let's move ahead in this video by knowing how much a Scrum Master earns. The salary of a Scrum Master varies depending on the factors such as region, company size, years of experience, and industry. In India, the Scrum Master salary ranges between 6 lakhs to 26 lakh rupees per annum, whereas in US, it ranges from $110,000 to $120,000 annually. Companies like Wells Fargo, Accenture, and Cognizant hire Scrum Masters with competitive salaries. So are you looking to be one like David? If yes, then here we present you the top 5 Scrum Master certifications for 2023. The number 1 we have is Certified Scrum Master CSM Certification Training Course. Some key features of this program include 20 PDUs and 16 SUs, 2 years membership in Scrum Alliance, complimentary access to 15 courses worth Rs 25,000, and you will learn this in just 2 days. With this, you will be skilled with Scrum and Agile methodologies, importance of Agile, Scrum lifecycle, Scrum terminologies, daily Scrum and review, roles involved in Scrum, and distributed Scrum. To enroll for this course, you should possess an undergraduate degree or high school diploma. So hurry up and enroll now. Find the course link in the description box. The next we have is Certified Scrum Product Owner CSPO Certification Training. Some key features of this course includes 2 days of online virtual classes, exercise and games to get hands-on Scrum Master practices, CSPO certification included, and 16 PDUs and 16 SUs offered. Get trained by globally acclaimed certified Scrum trainers, complimentary access to 15 courses worth Rs 25,000. You are eligible for this course if you have an undergraduate degree or a high school diploma. Any professional who is interested to get certified in Scrum can enroll for this course. Some skills covered in this course includes Scrum and Agile frameworks, release management, leadership skills to manage Agile teams, and more. So hurry up and enroll now. Find the course link in the description box. The next we have is Professional Scrum Master Certification or PSM certification. The key feature of this course includes 14 SUs offered, real-world examples and case studies to clarify core concepts, 2-day live virtual class program, and more. You will complete Agile framework and risk management, and the best part of this course is anyone who wants to become a Scrum Master can enroll this course. There are no prerequisites. You can find the course link in the description box. Moving to course number 4 is SAFe 6 Scrum Master SSM Certification. Few features of this course includes preparation and eligibility to take SAFe Scrum Master SSM exam, 1-year membership to SAFe community platform, and 2 days of classroom training. This course is best suited for existing Scrum Master managers, team lead, and product owner. Skills covered in this course are namely Scrum in a SAFe enterprise, perform the role of Scrum Master, facilitate Scrum events, facilitate iteration planning, Support Effective program will make you grab job opportunities in industry. Become an SSM expert. Find the course link in the description box. The next we have is Professional Scrum Product Owner PSPO certification. Features of this course include 2 days of live virtual classes, 14 SEUs offered, in-depth coaching for clearing the exhaustive and rigorous PSPO exam, and experiential learning format. With this course, you will learn the foundation of Scrum, core Scrum methodologies, and scope of PSPO. So here we wrap up with the top 5 Scrum Master certifications for 2023. With this, we have reached to the end of this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Simplilearn. Do like this video, share it with your friends, and stay tuned with Simplilearn for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.